Hey there everyone, so it's Yat Kean here from Trendground. Welcome back to another info, tips and tricks video. So what you are going to learn today is with this device, this Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6. So what are we going to learn? We are going to learn about the Telephoto Macro feature on this device. It's a pretty cool feature if you are taking a lot of close-up subjects and maybe portrait subjects as well. That feature is really awesome. So we are not going to waste any more time. Let's go and check it out through a shooting experience. Now the first thing we should know is where to access the Telephoto Macro mode. Go to More, okay, and just tap onto Telephoto Macro. And then there you go, you can access it. So you can turn on focus peaking or turn it off. I'll just leave it on. Now, there's one major disadvantage using this Telephoto Macro is that you have to manually adjust the focus of it. So if you're not someone that's very good, you might consume some time to adjust the focus of the Telephoto Macro feature. Best of all, you also can zoom it in. Yep, so that's a really good advantage of shooting with the Telephoto Macro over here. But there's also one more good advantage, is that you can also shoot videos up to 4K 120 frames per second. That is awesome. Now I'm going to switch back to the photo mode. So with that, hopefully you have learned about the Telephoto Macro feature on this Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6. And if you find it really helpful for you to make consideration to purchase this device or whatsoever, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. It does help us to get more devices for you to learn about the products and services as well. Also follow us on the social media account. Last but not least, head to the website, read all the news articles, okay? With that, I need to bow out. It has been a long video. Keep rewatching, and I'll see you guys on the next content, alright? Bye!